The noise in Aaron Cole's mind never stopped. Even when the world was quiet, when the streets slept, when the sky rested in darkness, his thoughts screamed. Regret, fear, what-ifs, what went wrongs, what could still go wrong. At 29, Aaron looked successful from the outside. A decent job, a small apartment, clean clothes, polite smiles. But inside he was drowning. Every night felt like a battlefield where his own thoughts attacked him without mercy. He would lie in bed staring at the ceiling, his heart heavy, his chest tight. The past replayed like a cruel movie he couldn't turn off. The future stood like a dark hallway with no light at the end. "Why can't my mind just stop?" he whispered one night, his voice breaking in the silence. That night, something inside him finally cracked. Aaron had always been an overthinker. As a child, teachers called him thoughtful. As an adult, that thoughtfulness turned into endless mental noise. He analyzed every conversation, replayed every mistake, imagined every worst-case scenario, and the more he tried to control his thoughts, the louder they became. One morning, exhausted beyond words, Aaron skipped work and wandered aimlessly through the city. His feet carried him somewhere unfamiliar, away from traffic, away from people, toward a quiet hillside on the edge of town. At the top stood a small wooden building, old, simple, peaceful. A sign hung near the door. "If your mind is heavy, step inside." Aaron hesitated. Something about the place felt strange, yet comforting. He pushed the door open. Inside, the air felt different. Calm, still. A man sat near the window, pouring tea into 2 cups. His hair was silver, his posture relaxed, his eyes clear like a quiet lake. "You're late," the man said gently, without looking up. Aaron froze. "Late for what?" "For listening to yourself," the man replied, smiling. Aaron swallowed. I didn't know where else to go." "That's usually when people find this place," the man said, offering him a cup of tea. "Sit." Aaron sat. The silence felt uncomfortable at first. No phones, no ticking clock, just stillness. After a moment, Aaron burst out. "My mind won't stop. I've tried meditation, books, podcasts, everything. Nothing works." The man nodded slowly. "Because you're trying to fight your mind." Aaron frowned. "Isn't that the point?" The man chuckled softly. "Let me show you something." He stood and handed Aaron a glass filled to the brim with muddy water. "Hold this," he said. Aaron did. "Now," the man continued, "make the water clear." Aaron shook the glass harder and harder. The water only grew cloudier. "It's not working," Aaron said, frustrated. "Exactly," the man replied calmly. "The more you shake it, the worse it becomes." He gently took the glass from Aaron's hands and placed it on the table. "Watch." They sat in silence. Slowly the dirt settled. The water became clear. Aaron stared, stunned. "I didn't do anything," he said quietly. The man smiled. "That is the lesson. Your mind is the same," the man continued. "You keep shaking it with fear, control, and resistance. Peace doesn't come from effort. It comes from allowing." Aaron felt something shift inside his chest. "But how do I allow?" he asked. "My thoughts just come. They are not the problem," the man replied. "Your attachment to them is." The words hit Aaron deeply. For the first time, no one told him to fix himself, only to stop fighting. The man introduced himself as Samuel Reed. For the next 7 days, Aaron returned to the hillside. Each day, Samuel gave him a simple task. No lectures, no complicated techniques, just awareness. Day 1. Sit and listen to your thoughts, Samuel said. Do nothing else. Aaron tried. His mind raced. But instead of panicking, he observed. For the first time, he noticed something strange. Thoughts came and went. They didn't stay forever. Day 2. Walk without destination. Aaron walked through the city without checking time or direction. Without realizing it, his shoulders relaxed. Day 3. Eat in silence. No phone, no distractions, just taste. Food had never felt so real. Day 4. Let one emotion rise without judging it. That day, sadness came, deep and heavy. Aaron wanted to escape, but he didn't. He let it be. And something miraculous happened. It passed. By day 5, Aaron slept better. By day 6, the noise softened. By day 7, he understood. On the final day, Aaron asked, "So, how do I empty my mind?" Samuel smiled kindly. "You don't." Aaron looked confused. "You empty your grip on it." Samuel continued. "A quiet mind is not one without thoughts. It is one that is no longer controlled by them." Aaron's eyes filled with tears. All his life, he thought peace was something to achieve, but it was something to allow. Before leaving, Aaron asked, "Will I lose this peace?" Samuel shook his head. Peace was never given to you. It was uncovered. As Aaron walked down the hill, the world looked the same, but felt different. The noise hadn't disappeared, but it no longer owned him. Months later, life still tested him. Stress returned. Fear knocked again. But now Aaron knew the secret. He didn't chase silence. He made space for it. And in that space, he finally found himself. Sometimes the answer isn't doing more. It's letting go. Your mind doesn't need to be controlled. It needs to be understood. And when you stop fighting your thoughts, silence finds you.